Italy is located in the southern part of Europe. It is easy to recognize by the boot shape. The country covers an area of 301,318 square kilometers. Its flora and fauna are typically from the Mediterranean, and we can find olives, citrus, palms, figs, sugar cane, almonds, cotton, and pomegranate. Italy has a population of more than 60.4 million people in 2019. The country is known for its food, art, architecture, fashion, film, fast expensive cars, and dolce vita, which means luxury and pleasure life. It is the third largest nation economy in the European Union. The business model of the country is based in the production of high-quality consumer goods. The most critical sector of the industry is the manufacturing of cars, textiles, agriculture, and tourism. The education system was established in 1859. It is a law that guarantees education for elementary school to university. Agriculture is one of the most important economic sectors of the country, exporting 2.1% of the GDP, produces grain, meat, and dairy mostly in the north, and in the south, fruits, vegetables, wine, and olives.
About epidemiology and comorbidities, the main morbidities were cardiovascular diseases with 37%, cancer with 29%, non-transmissible diseases with 17%, chronic respiratory diseases with 5%, diabetes with 4%, and injuries with 4%. It's important to note that 92% of all deaths in Italy are due to non-transmissible diseases, being the leading cause of death in this country. The death rate in Italy does not change. In 2019, 630,432 people died in Italy, a lot more than the previous year. An average of 1,738 deaths occur every day. Italy was worsening its mortality rate. It has moved from the 166th position occupied in 2018 to the 167th position in that ranking. 15 million Italians have health problems, according to the Central Institute for Statistics. 26% of the population get sick. More than 8 million women are the rest men. The most frequent diseases are the ones that affect bones and muscle. On the other hand, colds, digestive, and respiratory diseases affect both women and men.
Italy has programs for the prosperity of agriculture. One of them is the Partnering for Food Security and Prosperity. It is a strategy to reduce poverty and malnutrition by giving financial support. It is a cooperation with the government to increase food security, and they collected almost $5 million to back up this project and take it to Latin America. Another program is called AgriInvest, which evaluates how the agricultural sector is being handled. The goal is to make global dialogue in public and private sector to develop new strategies for agricultural activities to be attractive for new investors. For the advocacy, the country had crucial participation with FAO to reduce poverty, hunger, and malnutrition all over the world, with public and private partnerships, sustainable value chains, and agroecology. The National Center for Prevention of Diseases is a public body working to coordinate health, prevention, and quick responses to emergencies. There can also be found local authorities that are responsible for health services in Italy, which are called local health agencies. Italy has the best sustainable agriculture. It is a pioneer in new techniques to reduce water loss and food loss in domestic and agricultural contexts.
Nutritional status of the population. The Italian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte and the Director General of FAO, Con Donju. Italy's collaboration with FAO is to achieve zero hunger and eradicate malnutrition. Impact of the problem and advocacy strategies. Italy has an estimated GDP of $2.84 trillion because of a lot of innovate new technologies which create a very modern agricultural sector and innovate manufacturing activities. However, a lot of farmers that are working in some lands are being exploited by wealthy Italian food systems. Some negative impacts of the wrong management of agriculture are population, food unsafety, and payment inequality. The strategies Italy implements for the improvement of agriculture is the health of soils, organic farming, taking care of biodiversity and equality, and this creates some positive impacts as well. Pollution, food unsafety, and payment inequality.